Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enhance voice and remove the background noise from your videos in CapCut. So first, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background noise. So what you need to do is just click on your video. So here I have a video tutorial that I made. And after that, just swipe through the menu until you find this reduce noise option. Click on that and just enable this option, and CapCut will reducing the noise on your videos. So that's the first way of remove the background noise. And the second way is that you need to extract the audio first. So click on the video, then click on extract audio, and after that click on the audio, and here there will be an option to enhance the voice. Click on that. So here you just need to enable the enhanced voice. Click on this. Okay, just wait. CapCut will enhancing the voice on your videos. And after that, at the bottom you can also do the noise cleanup. Let's wait until this process is finished first. Okay, so after enhancing the voice, here you can set the intensity of the noise cleanup. I'm going to go with 100. Now CapCut will re-enhancing the voice again, and after that you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.